a few reminders. Make sure to keep all arms, hands, legs, elbows inside the boat. Please remain seated. And parents, please watch your children because I won't. Yeah, just right here in the jungle, surprisingly. Oddly, just in that one spot though. Over here, folks, we have a 500-pound tiger. They're known to jump about 20 feet, but not to worry, folks. We're 15 feet away. He'll jump right over us. Yeah, it's these cobras that give me a buzz. Oh, watch out, watch out. We're now entering the sacred bathing pool of the elephants. Feel free to take lots of photos because they do have their trunks on today. Yeah, I thought that was really awkward. Over here we have my friend Bertha. She loves her long, relaxing showers. Yeah, I don't blame her. Do you folks know why elephants have so many wrinkles? Because there's no irons in the jungle. Oh no. What's going on over here? Oh my goodness, will you look at that? They've completely taken over the safari campsite. Yeah, this can't be a good sign coming into the jungle. Oh no. I mean, what can you say, folks? They're always monkeying around. Always up to that no-good monkey business. Up ahead, folks, is Whiter Falls. But not to worry. We'll be going over that later. We're now in the Nile River. It goes on for miles. If you don't believe me, you're in denial. Over here we have a beautiful African bull elephant, the second most dangerous animal here. And if you look right over here, you have the first most dangerous, his mother-in-law. We have some more wonderful animals over here. We have some long-necked cheetahs, some stripy ponies, and some bearded horses as well. Oh no. Oh no. I told these folks you never want to get into an argument with a rhino, because they always get their point across in the end. I tell you folks, they just never listen. Alright, so legend has it, if you see bubbles or wiggling ears, we might be in for some trouble. Oh no, you're right, I see bubbles. Oh no, wiggling ears. Oh my goodness, what did we get ourselves into? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to scare them away. Like I scared my ex-boyfriend away. I love you! Oh my goodness, it worked! I tell you folks, you just never know what to expect out here in the jungle. Over here we have a sculpture made by the locals. Wow, look at that detail. Honestly, where did they get their inspiration from? And over here they're dancing, they're celebrating. Let me see if I can translate. Really? Yeah, sorry folks, I got nothing. Uh-oh. Oh no, it looks like more trouble. Get down, get down! That was
have water!
Yeah, don't try that at home. I did it once. Yeah, I just hit my head on the faucet. Alright, folks, I'd like to point out some of my favorite plants here in the jungle. So if you look right through there, yep, that's one of them. And if you look right over here, that green one is another. Oh no! It looks like there's piranhas in the water. Don't worry, women and children, you're safe. They're only man-eating piranhas. Over here we have a snake in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes the constricting relationship. Yeah, no thank you. I'll pass on that one. Over here we have our head salesman, Trader Sam, and his companion, Ellie. He likes her for her truck face. Alright folks, it looks like we all survived the world famous jungle cruise! Woo! As we approach the dock, please remember, keep all arms, hands, legs, elbows inside the boat, especially those elbows. Alright folks, it's been a wonderful cruise with you all. Definitely survived some dangerous stuff out there. No, get out. Just kidding. That was awfully rude. Please get out. Watch your head, watch your